Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. Hey guys, Alexis Sophie Leather. This is a quick video. I just want to show you what I've been up to. Wow, can't even speak. Hold on, let me try again. Let me do that again, everyone. Oh, I didn't even see that thing recording. Hey guys, this is Alexis Sophie Leather. I just want to make this quick video to let you know that I've been kind of busy. Have been able to make a lot of videos, but I finished these twos and I wanted these twos. That's a Jersey way of saying these two items. This is a premium Firefighter suspenders here with the red to black name. And this is a standard radio strap, which I really want to introduce. A standard radio strap. It's not lined or stitched. It's one thick piece of natural vegetan, a Herman oak that I dyed black. But it comes with all the bells and whistles, same thing, including a name tag. And this one is black to gold, which is really neat. But let's take a closer look. Okay, so this is a standard radio strap. Whoa, excuse me. All right, so this is a standard radio strap, and this is the nameplate that is black to gold, and that looks really sharp. But the standard radio strap comes standard with the mic cord keeper, as well as the vertical lapel mic holder. Another cord keeper down here, and the standard bucket. So it's the same. So if you guys are interested in this, this is on the website, standard radio strap. Okay, and that's all I got for you guys. You guys have a wonderful day. All right, bye.